folks, Bob here from the channel. I'm just going to put today these radio speakers on my boat. Just ordered them the other day. They came in this little cute box. I guess you've probably seen them on the internet, so I saw them too, and I thought I will just give them a try, see what they're going to give us. They claim to be waterproof. Got these nice grills, and that's the actual speaker inside. So come with 6 feet or something of wire, and they claim to be 70 watts each. So we'll see that. And they're going on my boat over there. So on each side, I will just have it over there, one there, and then one on the passenger side over there. So we'll drill the holes. I've already got the stereo, and I'll just hide the wires under the dash. That's the job for today. Let's do it. Well, first thing is first, so I just thought I will find if I've got the correct drill bit. Apparently the biggest one I've got is just going to make it. So I'm going to use it. I don't know what size is that. So these are 3-inch speakers, I forgot to mention in the beginning. But I will put a description in the, or a link in the description below. So yeah, that's 3 inches. And I'm going to use, where is it showing? I'll find out what size is it. So I'm going to use this and my trusty old devout drill. I'm going to mark where we need to drill on the boat. We're going to drill around the cables and hopefully play some music. Let's get some action. So I've marked now over there where the holes will be. I got my old trusty drill. I'm going to make some holes. I'll just do the other side, then I'll remove that because I don't want it to go through the cobalt. Apparently it's just a screwdriver to take the bit off. Yay! So now after we don't have the tip on, we can just be brave and drill through it. Success! Next job, cleaning. So I've got the holes now. That's the speaker somewhere here. So that's the speaker. That's the hole, the circle hole that I made. There's another one on the other side. That's the other hole. And let's see if they fit. So that goes there, that goes there. Oh, that's perfect. That all look great. So run the wires now all the way into the head unit, and then I'll just screw them on. That should be it. Right, so that is under the boat in the dash. I'll just show you guys what's happening here. It's quite tiny. I've got the light here, and I brought some pillow because it's gonna be a long time. So I'm now in my little cabin. Oh, just under the dash. Oh, that's actually nice. When you have something to rest your head is really nice. Right, so I'll just turn the camera the other way so we can see a bit of light. Whew, it's quite tiny. Right, so this is just under the dash. The cable, the wire or the cable for the right speaker is over there, and it comes out basically, it's going in the box there, and this is the cable, so it goes there. This is my speed controller. This is the steering wheel cable system. This is the cable for the steering wheel, and this is the one that goes for the speed controller. That's the radio, my old speaker, which now is gonna go. I'll take it away and we keep going. That's so that's the main, that's the stereo, the screen or audio system. That's another little transformer which drops it down from the default 18 volt to the 12 volt, and it supplies the stereo. And that here, that big boy, is the speed controller from the Hankei outboard, and all the wires that go there on the back of the boat. So currently we are connecting this wire, this cable, which goes in there for the speaker, with the head unit, which is that one. So I'm going to disconnect this, take it away, and connect the two wires in the right way. Then we're going to check it out. If it's working, I'll just plug up a battery in and it's gonna hopefully work. So that's the plan. I will just try to do it now. See you in a bit. Well, that's what they look like when they fit it. It's just got them on each side of the boat. So one of the speakers is right there on the right, and then I've got the other one right here. So it kind of provides a good sound, good stereo. Unfortunately, I can't play anything because it's all copyrighted, so you will have to make it yourself. But yeah, they're really good. They look good, and they sound great as well.